He can't get it off.
I know. It's like, where am I? Where am I?
Come here. He's like, I can't see anything. Get it off. Get it off. His claw got stuck.
He's like, uh-oh.
Oh. Spencer jumped.
Are you okay, baby? Now he's stuck.
Draven? Are you okay?
Yeah, Draven, he's...
Oh, there you are. Come on, baby. Can you get it off?
No.
Oh.
I can't get it off, Mama.
Come here, baby. My pen's in the way. Help me, Wall. Help me. Oh, green teas. Help.
I'll go ahead and get it off.
Help. This is torture.
There you
Oh,
go.
oh, thank you. Idiot. Oh. Get the sock.
He's like, get that away from me.
Put it back on his head. Just kidding. Don't do.
Oh, just one more time.
Oh.
Here. Hey, let's try.